Hi, and welcome to the Planning Tool Membership Application Portal tutorial. When your organization creates your account, you will receive an email with your login, your password, as well as a link to get to this login screen. Click the login button and to begin your application, choose the Start Application. And you can fill in all of your contact information that's not there. Once you've done that, you must hit the Save button and all of the information is saved. Next, you can move on to your actual application and notice the deadline which you must complete your application by. Choose the Online Application button, and at any time if you need help during your application, you can choose this Need Help button in the top right corner, and you can type your question and it will send it directly to your sponsor. Notice the contact information for your contact person is also listed. The application status is here, and this will change once they review your application and let you know if you've been accepted or deferred. You can put that information here. Description, any information that your sponsor needs you to know, they will have it here displayed for you. And below are your application questions, and you can enter whatever your response to these questions are. You can upload any files that are required, and you will also be able to apply your digital signatures for you and your parent. Once you're done, click the Save button and you're done. If your organization conducts interviews, they may choose to schedule your interview through this module as well. Choose the Interview Details button, and you will need to confirm your email, confirm your interview. And here you will see your interview date, time, location, any notes, and choose Confirm and Update. And that will let your sponsor know that you received the information and that you will be attending the interview. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, you can choose our Help button for more information.